How to adjust a Husqvarna carburetor. Husqvarna recommends adjusting the carburetor on the chainsaw when you have filled the fuel tank 10 times. This assures that the engine goes through the proper break-in period. Husqvarna recommends that a certified technician adjust the carburetor, but you can do it yourself and save some money. Adjusting a Husqvarna carburetor correctly ensures good fuel economy and protects the engine. When adjusting the chainsaw carburetor, keep people and objects away from the chain bar to prevent damage and injury. Things you will need: flathead screwdriver. Set the Husqvarna chainsaw on a level surface. Ensure that there is nothing around the chain bar while you're adjusting the carburetor. Start the chainsaw and allow the engine to warm for 5 minutes. Locate the 3 separate adjustment screws near the pull rope on the chainsaw body. A letter is stamped next to each screw. Turn the screw with the L stamped clockwise with a screwdriver until the screw stops. Do not force the screw past the natural stop. Turn the screw counterclockwise until the engine idles smoothly without hesitation. Squeeze the throttle trigger to test the engine. Continue adjusting the L screw until the engine sounds smooth and accelerates smoothly. Place the screwdriver on the screw with a T stamp. This is the idle adjustment screw. Turn the screw clockwise until the chain starts to turn on the chain bar. Immediately turn the screw counterclockwise until the chain stops turning. The engine should maintain idle speed without the chain moving on the chain bar. Rotate the H adjustment screw counterclockwise with the screwdriver until the screw stops. The engine should sound very rough. Turn the screw clockwise until the engine runs smoothly. Squeeze the throttle trigger. The engine should accelerate with little difficulty and not blow smoke from the exhaust. Tips: warnings. Contact a service dealer if the chain does not stop rotating with adjustment of the idle screw. This could cause damage to the clutch. Keep hands and clothing away from the chain and bar area while the saw is running.